This is a asus Vivobook laptop, and this laptop problem is some of key are not working. Today I will replace this keyboard. Okay, and you can see this, and this keyboard is inbuilt. This is very difficult to exchange. Today I will change this. Okay, let's start. Before I do anything, I will remove the battery. And now I remove the motherboard. This is the display connector. Separate the display from here. And this one we purchased from our local market, and this is the original keyboard. Okay, let's open it. And okay, our keyboard also removed. This is our main body. Let's install it. I set this keyboard perfectly, and here is a little bit plastic is rise up, and I just nail this with the soldering iron. Okay, definitely you keep your soldering iron low temperature, and let's see how I do this. Okay, and you can also do. Make this. And I repeated all this plastic here, and you can see, and check this keyboard, and keyboard setup is perfectly, and you can see all keys rise up, no issue here. Okay, hopefully it will be perfect. Okay, let's set up this. This is perfect. Our keyboard installation is complete, and you can see this, and it's working perfectly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 Q. Okay, this is perfectly working. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.